Hello guys, in today's video we will be looking at the 5-minute trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, if you have been looking for an opportunity to trade successfully, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video we will be looking at the 5-minute trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, and before we go fully into this, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the Forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you understand everything highlighted in in the videos, and make sure you do your personal, you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very important, guys. This is very important. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for this. Also click on notification bell and set it to all notification. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, before going fully into this video, thank you guys for joining me yesterday night on the video. When I was doing the market analysis, and also when we were discussing about the $500 trading tips per day. $500 per day trading tips. Okay, I was really happy that we were able to do that together, and it was a wonderful way to start the weekend. Okay, so I thank you guys for all the results. There's going to be another one tonight, so you guys should watch out for it. But let's quickly go straight into today's video, so that we will get to know how to go about all this. Okay, so what we are trying to look at is 5-minute trading strategy for boom and crash. But before we go into the trading platform, let me quickly come here. Okay, this is what I'm trying to do. If I'm trying to look for a way to build your confidence on the trading platform, so that you will be able to trade successfully. As you are learning, then you will also be able to trade at the same time, so that to trade and make some money for yourself at the same time, in order to develop the confidence in you. But in order for you to do this, you still need to practice. Okay, you still need to practice first. You practice the strategy I will be sharing with you in today's video, so that you will know how to go about it. So this is what I'm trying to do. Okay, what if you are able to stay in the market for about 5 minutes, guys? Okay, let's say you are using 0.5. Okay, let's say you are using 0.5. I'm just using it as an example. All this depends on your trading capital. Okay, let's say you are using 0.5. That will give you an edge, a very good start for you to start making money. Because once you are, let's say you are using 0.5 and you are trading these 4 different assets. Okay, you are trading boom 500, and also you are trading boom 1000. You are also trading boom 1000. Okay, let me use this. Okay, it is faster that way. It is faster that way since I'm typing. Let's say you are trading boom 500. Okay, and you are also trading all the assets for boom and all the assets for crash boom 1000. Okay, and you also want to trade that of crash too, crash 500 and 1000. Okay, let's say you are trading all these 4 assets. Okay, all you just need to do is just to have your setup on these 4 charts and focus on them alone. Then you look out for those things that I will be highlighting later on in today's video for you to pick up your trades. Okay, so these are some of the things you will be looking out for. Okay, so this way it makes it very easy for you to get your signal, go into the trade, and exit your trade. So let's say you are making 0.50 cents per minute. 50 cents per minute, and you are spending 5 minutes times 5, and you were able to create about 10 trading sessions, okay, times 10. Okay, most especially for small traders, 25, I mean small trading capitals, $25 is not a bad idea, guys. It's not a bad idea. So if you are earning by 30, that is going to give you $750. That way you will be able to increase your trading capital easily, and you will also be able to make more profit with it. So let's go straight to the trading platform right away to um, show you what to look out for before you pick up your trades. But before we do that, remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay, so let's go back to the trading platform. Okay, let me quickly come back here for boom 500. If you're a newbie, you may need to sell for now if you don't know how to buy the spikes. Also, the same thing is applicable for boom 1000. If you don't know how to buy the spikes, then you may need to sell for now, because you might not have the capital that will help you to trade it successfully, and also you might not have the confidence to do this easily. So right now for crash 500, it is going to be a buy, and you that is, except if you can trade the drop down candles. Also, the same thing is applicable for crash 1000. It is also going to be a buy. So these are the opportunities we will be looking out for whenever we want to trade. You can start with these, then later on you can now go further with the spikes trading. Okay, so let's go straight into what I have here. Okay, let's go straight to the platform. So I'm starting with crash 500. Let's say this is crash 500. There are some things you need to look out for. You need to know the trend of the market. Once you are able to get this, then you should know your support and resistance, know the best time frame to go into it. So all these are what I will be showing us in today's video. But right now on the chart, the indicator I'm using will help you to get all this effectively, and that is why I'm having this setup on the chart, which is the QDC scraper indicator. Of course, we've already known the trend, and it's going to show us the trend right from the very beginning. It's going to notify us right from the very beginning. So once we see the drop down arrow on the trend, remember all the crashes are for sell. Okay, once we see for buy rather, for buy. Once you see the drop down arrow, then definitely we should know that it is selling at that particular point, because it is on downtrend. So what we should look out for is the signal on the main chart. This is for those that knows how to trade the spikes. Okay, but if you don't know how to trade the spikes, then you are going to focus on the buy area. Okay, so let's focus on the buy area, because I'm taking it as if you are a newbie, except if you know how to trade the spikes alone. Okay, so that is when you should also consider the spike. So the first thing you need to do is to set your chart up to 5-minute time frame. Once it is on 5-minute time frame, okay, all you need to look out for crash is to wait for the trend to change from this red to green. Before it will change to green, it will first of all change to a yellow bar like this, and on the yellow bar you're going to see an arrow there. Okay, if it is an up arrow, it shows that the trend is going on uptrend, but if it is a down arrow, it is going on a downtrend. Okay, so at that stage is where you should be getting ready to buy. Okay, at that stage is where you should be getting ready to buy. And okay, so this is stage where you should be getting ready to buy. So the next thing you should do is to come to the main chart. Okay, is it on a support level? Of course it is on a support level. Then is the support, how strong is the support? Of course it is the verified support level, so you are good to go. So the next thing you should wait for is the buy arrow to show up. Once the buy arrow shows up on your chart, you can come in and trade for 5 minutes. Okay, you can even trade for more, but you can start with 5 minutes first, because it is very close to the support level and it has been on a very strong downtrend, so you can pick up your 5 minutes here. Okay, so you can easily pick up your 5 minutes here, wait for another opportunity. Here is another opportunity, you come in again and pick up another 5 minutes, and wait for another opportunity, come in here again and pick up another 5 minutes. Okay, right here we've been able to pick 5 minutes, right? So another way to go about, that means you are done with your crash 500. You can see it is easy for you to pick up your 5 minutes once the signal is in line with the trend. Okay, so you can now go to boom 500 to see if it is selling. Of course, it has started selling. You can see the sell trend showing right here, the arrow is showing right here, and we've gotten a sell signal at the top here, and already this has already given us 10 minute candles, 10 minute candles before the blue arrow shows up. Okay, so you can easily come here and pick up your 5 minutes here and wait for another sell opportunity which has already appeared. You can see the arrow here, it's supposed to be here, but due to network I think it is showing down here. Okay, so that is why it is selling right away right here. So that is another opportunity, so you can always use that to pick up your 5 minutes easily. And after that, you can go to this next asset. This is what I'm just trying to let you know. Okay, once you have all these, the setup on all these assets, then you look out for the one that is giving you the opportunity. And where are the opportunities? Okay, as a newbie, I'm taking everyone as a newbie right now. Okay, or let me say this generally, where are the opportunities? The opportunities is when you find an opportunity when the signal on the main charts, is in line with the trend, when the signal on the main chart is in line with the trend. Okay, so if you are a newbie or you don't know how to trade the spikes, all you need to do is to focus on the sells for boom and focus on the crash, on the buy for crash. Okay, you focus on the sell for boom, you focus on the buy for crash. And when do you trade boom? You trade boom when you get a sell signal on a downtrend. Okay, it makes it very easy for you to sell at that point, most especially if you use the same time frame which I have explained, I have used in today's video. The same thing is applicable to crash. Okay, for crash you buy when the trend, you go into the market when you get a buy signal on the main chart which is also in line with the trend. Okay, which is an uptrend. Okay, so it must be downtrend. All right, this must be downtrend. For boom it must be downtrend, and for crash it must be up. Okay, for crash it must be uptrend. So that is the secret behind it. Okay, but if you are the type that can trade the spikes, definitely you can do the two. Okay, all you just need to do is to make sure the signal on the main chart is in line with the trend signal. Okay, let's say we are on boom 1000, and at the this chart is showing us that the trend is showing us that the market is on downtrend, so you focus on the sell signal. And whenever the market is on uptrend, what do? You focus on the buy signal. The same thing will be for crash too. So that is how it works. Remember, you should take note of the trend, you should take note of the support and resistance levels, then you should also take note of the signals that is showing on the main chart. The signal must be in line with the current trend, and the time frame which I use in today's analysis is 5 minutes time frame. So that is how to go about it, guys. So I want you to go through this video over and over. Make sure you highlight the main point that I have highlighted in today's video. Have this set up on your chart and practice with it. Practice throughout today. If you cannot practice throughout today, at least practice for 2 hours before you go into your live account, and I need to see your results, guys. I need to see your results so that we can analyze together. Okay, for those of you that have been sending it, thank you. May God bless you. And I'm really happy that you guys are improving. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God